Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty. This is WTI crude on a daily time frame. For the third straight day, it has fallen. WTI has fallen under the $80 mark, and Brent is still well above 80, but falling for the third straight day. There is a pause in the fighting in the Middle East, and that is what is being seen here in this fall. And that's exactly what translates to the green candles on Nifty. This is all the analysis from yesterday that you're seeing on the chart, and this is Nifty also on a daily time frame. So it's result season in Nifty, and the results of the stocks that I were looking at least, were not too bad. And ideally, Nifty should have shown some positive movement. So let's put it this way: if there is no other constraints on Nifty should make a movement either on the upside or on a downside on a result season. So otherwise, the results have to be perfectly balanced, which hypothetically the possibilities of happening is very rare. And if you see, the Nifty has not moved much. It has just given these all these movements are from the movements of crude oil and nothing related. This one candle is perhaps the IT sector rally that happened for one day, and then this is all the crude oil that's dragging Nifty down. Today also there's some rally in the yesterday also there was some positive movement in the IT sector, but was not good enough to take it all the way up there. Let's just get rid of all the analysis from yesterday and start afresh with the monthly candle. Analytically, you see here 1, 2, 3, and 4 candles have been trying to break above this level. This level is what I'm talking about, is 337, and it has been unsuccessful greatly. But how long is the sellers in this area going to hold fort? That is a question that remains to be seen. And I believe that question would be answered at the close of this monthly candle, because at the close of this monthly candle, the monthly time frame, on a monthly time frame, Nifty becomes bullish, because you see there's a swing low here and a higher low comes up there. And then we should slowly see either a rally or a slow grinding movement towards the upside. So something should happen on the positive side is what I believe from. That's purely market structure analysis. So on a monthly time frame, the bias is not sure, because there's no bias, no lower highs, no higher lows formed. We are still waiting for this close of this candle. This low should be protected, and that low is approximately 23,100, 23,090. So that should be protected, and then we can see some movement on the upside. So there are two levels to be watched out for. That's 24,337 and 22,182. That's the two swing lows that are important. On a weekly time frame, again, it's not sure. Why is it not sure? Because see, this is a swing low that had to be protected. That's taken. And the swing high, this is the swing high that had to be protected. That's also taken. So two important levels taken. This is a fair value gap that Nifty had formed while moving up, and then that is providing liquidity in all these weeks and holding Nifty up against the sellers at this level. Going to the daily time frame, here's where all the action is taking place. The bias is still not sure, because this is a swing high, there is no lower swing highs, and that this is a swing low, and there is no higher swing lows. So the bias is not sure. Important is this red fair value gap that was formed when Nifty was falling, and this swing low. Let me just zoom it in for all of you to see. A swing low in a red fair value gap is like huge liquidity zone, and that's what's selling off Nifty here. This is a respect candle. It just respects the liquidity, sell side liquidity of this level. And if Nifty decides to come all the way down, then we have one important all the way down. Then we have some important levels to watch out for. I'm just sleepy. Yeah. So these are the important levels to watch out for. That is 23,500 and 23,400 approximately, and they sit well within this daily fair value gap that's been formed. So if by any chance Nifty just falls all the way down, these are the two important levels to watch out for. And on the top side, if Nifty decides to break out, then 24,530 is the next target to look out for. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty is bearish. Why is it bearish? You can just take a look here. This is a swing high and this is a lower high that's formed. An hourly time frame, Nifty has no bias because this is a swing high. There's no lower high formed. There should be a third candle to confirm lower high. This is a swing low and there's no higher low formed. So that is it from my side. Nifty is not showing any particular direction right now. We will have to wait and watch. I'm not a certified analyst and I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.